Hello everyone, thanks for joining us. My name is Andrew and I'm with Pure Resonance Audio, and today we're going to go over things to consider when designing a restaurant sound system. So we do a lot of different designs here at Pure Resonance Audio. We outfit different commercial applications like restaurants and retail and doctor's offices and things like that. And today we're just going to go over briefly things to consider when designing a system for a restaurant. So one of the main questions that we ask whenever we're on the phone or we get an inquiry is, do you have a floor plan? Floor plan is super important for us when designing. It gives us an idea of the layout and dimensions. Dimensions are a big thing because that helps us figure out how many speakers you need for your space. It's going to greatly depend on the size. The other thing that we consider is the ceiling height. The higher ceilings you have, the better dispersion pattern of your speakers. So the lower your ceilings are, the more likely you're going to need more speakers. So the other thing to consider is the ceiling type. Do you have a hard ceiling, like a sheetrock ceiling? Do you have a drop tile ceiling with removable 2x2 or 2x4 ceiling tiles? Or do you have an open ceiling where you might need a pendant speaker? An in-ceiling speaker would be a great option for those sheetrock and drop tile ceiling speakers. Maybe you don't want to run wires overhead and you just want to focus on a surface mount speaker like this. This is also a great speaker for maybe a outdoor patio where you need weather resistance. And so each speaker is going to function differently. They all have different purposes. A pendant speaker would be great for an open ceiling where you have beams or something like that you want to hang. Maybe you have high ceilings and you want to hang them down. It'd be a great addition. So other things to consider is, how much power do you need? How loud do you need the system to be? Do you need to page? Maybe you need a paging mic like this where you can make announcements and say, hey, your order's ready, come pick it up. Maybe you have an outdoor patio or a section of the restaurant that you want to control the volume differently. Maybe you'll integrate a volume control like this so you can easily turn the volume up and down in that area. Do you need one zone where all of the speakers are on the same volume level? Or do you need these volume controls like we talked about? A step further would be, do you need to play different audio in different areas of the restaurant? Maybe you have an outdoor patio and an indoor section that want completely different audio. Maybe you want to play rock and roll outside, but you want nice classical music inside. That's an amplifier situation that we can talk about that would fit your needs. So there's just a lot of things to consider. That's what we're here for. I know that can be overwhelming. You could have a mixture of these speakers. Maybe in the bathrooms you have an in-ceiling speaker, in the main area you have a pendant, and outside you have a weather-resistant speaker. Let us help you if you have any questions. If you want us to take a look at your floor plan, if you're opening up a new space, let us know and we'll be happy to take a look. So until next time, we'll see you guys soon.